Hi, don't be sad. Let's read. Wow, read for fun. Hi, kids. Welcome back to Read for Fun. I am Miss Soraya, and I'm the voice behind the books. For today's read aloud, we are going to read This Monkey Lost a Banana, written by Ben Eskew. Have you ever lost something that you really liked before? How did you feel? Let's find out how this monkey felt when she lost her banana. Now let's see if you're ready. Show me your listening ears. Great job. How about your looking eyes? Awesome. Now you are ready to read. Let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe. On this very sad day, on her way to a tree, Monkey lost a banana. Oh, where could it be? She looked in the jungle and in the savannah. She finally found it, her favorite. Rhino? This is my banana? The shocked monkey said. No, it's my horn. Now get off my head. So she looked in the jungle and in the savannah. She finally found it, her favorite. Elephant? This is my banana? The shocked monkey said. No, it's my tusk. I believe you're misled. So she looked in the jungle and in the savannah. She finally found it, her favorite banana. Snap! Turns out it was a gator that almost ate her. She cried and she cried and threw a big fit. She yelled to the sky, "That's it! I quit!" Angry and mad, she tossed a rock with a roll. It flipped and it dipped, landing in a frog's bowl. Rather than get mad or blue about his stew, he sat by her side. Is there something I can do? No! She screamed. You can't! Get away from me! My banana is gone! It's lost! It's history! Oh dear, that is sad. But I have bad news. Life is full of bananas that you may lose. We can learn from the past, so don't dwell on your sorrow. Don't let your todays ruin your tomorrows. The end. And now it's time for some comprehension questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. Who is the story about? A bear, B, a monkey, or C, an elephant? The correct answer is B, a monkey. Question number 2. Where did the story take place? A, at the zoo, B, at the park, C, in the jungle. The correct answer is C, in the jungle. Question number 3. What was the problem in the story? A, monkey lost her banana, B, monkey lost her way to her tree, or C, monkey was hungry. The correct answer is A, monkey lost her banana. Question number 4. Which animal almost ate monkey? A. Rhino, B. Elephant, or C. Alligator? The correct answer is C. Alligator. Question number 5. What did monkey learn from frog? A. She learned not to quit. B. She learned to be friends with everyone in the jungle. Or C. She learned how to move on when something is lost or disappointing. The correct answer is C. She learned how to move on when something is lost or disappointing. And that's it for today's Read Aloud. If you enjoyed the story, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Remember, supporting the author and illustrator by grabbing your own copy of the book is a great way to keep the magic going. Thanks for reading with me. Come back soon for more fun stories right here on Read for Fun.